Dates are numbers. In Excel, they are treated as such. Let's try something. I will type in a number here. Let's say 3,500. Okay, I need to expand this to show it fully. Then I'll go to the next cell and I'm going to type in a date 1/1/2020. Now, if I come to this next cell on column C and I put an equals to, referencing what I have here on B, that means I'm saying equals whatever is inside that cell B, which is 3,500 plus 1. What do I get? I'm going to get 3,501, isn't it? Right? So this should be 3501. If I go to the next cell after these dates, right? The day is 1/1/2020. If I put an equals to sign here, because I'm using the local or the regional setting for my computer is day, month, year. So the day first, then the month, then the year. Therefore, if I come here and I say whatever I have on this cell plus 1, what do I get? I'm going to get 02/01/2020. All right, that's basically just the next day. Okay, why? Because you can perform arithmetic calculations on numbers. Guess what? If I come here and I put in letter A, can I go to the next cell and say equals to this cell plus 1? Do you think I'm going to get letter B? Obviously, no. I'm going to get an error because it is not a number. Only numbers can be used to perform these arithmetic calculations, and this completely makes sense. That's why it's actually possible for you to have a date in a cell in Excel, like 1/1/2020, like this. And if I try to apply that comma style, remember the comma style that I mentioned earlier? If I try to apply that comma style to this, like this, you are going to see that it displays a number. Now, what does this number mean? I bet you are going to be able to answer this yourself by the time I show you the next example, right? Let me expand this, my column width. So if I come here, for example, and I type in 0, which is a number, then I'm going to do the opposite, right? I will come right here under this number section on my home tab. I will come right here and I'll click on this drop down that says, this is general something. I don't want something general. I'm going to scroll down until I find date, right? So I can see a short date here. So I'm just going to select that short date. And you see that it displays for me as 00/01/1900. That is what 0 is. So if I type in 0 now and I press enter on this cell, it's going to show as 00/01/1900. What if I type in 1? It's going to show me 01/01/1900. If I type in 2, it will be 02/01/1900. Therefore, this 43,831 that you are seeing right here is basically 43,831 days from 1st of January 1900 as far as Excel is concerned. So I could basically come back here and I can change that 43,000. If I select, if I change it back here to short date, you see it is 01/01/2020. Therefore, 1st of January 2020 is just the 43,000 and something day after 1st of January 1900. All right, so dates in Excel are considered as numbers, and there are times when you probably will have some data set that has a date column and you just realize that your date column is showing something like a number. It's going to show like a number like this, and you are wondering why. So maybe you have a column here, it's actually named dates, but then you will see that the values that you have inside that column are showing as numbers. Just know you have them showing as numbers because a date is a number technically, which means in Excel you can display it, you can let it show exactly like a number, or you can allow it to show as a date.